Ancient Rylanor served as the Ancient of Rites within the Emperor's Children Legion of Adeptus Astartes during the Horus Heresy. In his youth, Rylanor would be born on Terra and serve during the Wars of Unification. Fighting beside the Emperor of Mankind himself, Rylanor would go on to be the first to carry his Primarch's banner into battle in the Legion's history. Yet Rylanor would be wounded in battle against the Eldar during the Great Crusade. Interned within a Contemptor-class dreadnought, he would oversee the progression of the 3rd Legion's recruits. From the ranks of novices to Fulgrim's Chosen, Rylanor would have a keen eye for being able to perceive lies amongst his kin. Serving as one of the inner circle of the Emperor's children, he would be troubled by his Legion's change in behavior in the aftermath of the assault on the Xenos world of Laren. Beseeched by Saul Tarvitz, captain of the 10th Company, to fight in his stead on the battlefield of Istvan Free, Rylanor would be dispatched amongst the loyalist contingent of the 3rd Legion. Braving the fierce betrayal of Horus Lupercal and his insurrection against the Imperium, Rylanor's fury would become a symbol of the 3rd Legion's glory, righteousness, perfection, and loyalty to the Emperor. As battle waged, Tarvitz would command Rylanor to defend an underground hangar at the Prefector's palace. Buried inside the hangar, Rylanor would stand vigil as Istvan Free's final survivor. For 10,000 years, he would lay dormant, and as the 41st millennium dawned, a trio of heretic Astartes of the Thousand Suns Legion would venture to Istvan Free. Dispatched by their Primarch Magnus the Red, the traitors would investigate a distress signal emanating from the long-dead world. The message of the distress call reading, "The Ancient awaits." The sons of the 15th Legion would discover a badly damaged dreadnought. Awakening the slumbering giant, Rylanor would exclaim that they were not the quarry he sought. Repurposing a sonic device of the traitor Emperor's children previously sent to kill him, Rylanor would attempt to lure his Primarch, Fulgrim, to face him. A lure which had succeeded. Fulgrim appeared before Rylanor, and the Ancient of Rites voiced his disgust for what his Primarch had become. Revealing his long-guarded charge, an undetonated virus bomb, Rylanor would arm the device. Fulgrim attacked Rylanor, further wounding him but offering him a chance to rejoin his legion. Rylanor would reject his Genefather's offer, exclaiming,
"I am Rylanor of the Emperor's Children, Ancient of Rites, Venerable of the Palatine Host, and proud servant of the Emperor of Mankind, beloved by all. I reject you now and always."
The warhead detonated, cleansing Istvan Free once more of life. Though Fulgrim would not die, the Phoenician soul would be further fragmented. Rylanor's defiance, an undeniable victory against Fulgrim's ego.